Our study looks at the status of women in the profession of political science in the UK. We wanted to see if there'd been an improvement in the proportion and seniority of women in the discipline since our original research conducted in 2011. Given the higher profile of gender issues and the increase in measures and initiatives aimed at addressing gender inequalities, we might expect to see considerable progress in the presence and status of women, especially among those universities that have active policies in place. However, our survey conducted in 2018 shows there's only been incremental rather than transformative change. We collected data by job group from political science departments across the UK and found that while there's been a small improvement in the proportion of women, they are still outnumbered by men and they are underrepresented in the most senior job groups. There's been an increase in the number of women obtaining permanent lectureships, but the pooling effect now seems to be at this level, suggesting a barrier to more senior positions. For each department, we calculated this gap between the average seniority of male and female political scientists, which we call the gender seniority gap. We then looked at a number of contextual factors relating to the department and wider university. We found that having a female-headed department was associated with a lower gender seniority gap, but perhaps counterintuitively, the proportion of female members on the university executive board and a female VC was not. Disappointingly, we found no evidence that the level of Athena Swan Award correlated with an improvement in the gender seniority gap. There may be other factors not captured by our research method which help to explain this. However, this analysis is important in terms of devising strategies to improve the status of women as quickly as possible. We hope to continue our research in the future, but this will be in a slightly modified form after our approach received justified criticism from Charlotte Heath Kelly. Please see the Exchange in Political Study review for details.